The another video. In this video, I discuss the Microsoft 365 feature demo. I am here to share the latest feature, especially for a SharePoint Online. Today, I'm excited to share some new updates in the SharePoint customization, header and footer section for a better user experience and overall site design improvement. Here, I have created these demo sites. I am the site owner of this site. So basically, site owner have a greater control over design and layout. Now let's deep dive into the demo. Firstly, go to this printing icon and just click on it, which will be open the one panel. Then go to the change the look. Here you can see the all configuration setting regarding theme, header, navigation, footer is available. So just click on the header section. In header, you can see the layout and design. There are two tabs. So in layout, there are four layouts like a minimal, compact, standard, extended. And obviously, only extended layout is support to put the image as a header background. But now all four layout allow to put the image as a header background. Here you can see the another tab is design. If I go to this tab, you can customize your header with theme, background image, display, all of these properties. So in background here you can basically change the theme of the header. If you want to add the image, then it's optional. But here I want to give the demo to how to add the image. So here I select upload image and go to the upload. Here I choose the one image from my locals, the image selected, and then click on the add image. So you can see the image set in a header section properly. So here you can see the advanced setting for the image. If I click on it, here you can adjust the multiple customization like adjustment. Here you can bright the your image or explore. These are the multiple properties you can apply on your images. Also filters and focal point. Here you can see how the focal point affect the way your reader view image across the different screen size or aspect ratios. Here you can see the image background in a header section set successfully. Check the other properties also. You can overlay the color. Here you can see the footer section customization. In a footer section, you have a change link alignment. You can see it's left or right in a design section. Basically, you customize the footer as well as using the theme background image, and you can also change the text typography font also here. So overall, site owner now have a powerful visual customization option without needing to touch CSS or HTML. Here one update also for a site visitor. If you are a site visitor, when you visiting the site as a viewer, you notice we have hidden the old command bar between the header and page title for more impressive experience. So it's basically hide the your header section. So this is the best feature for a site owner as well as site visitor rolling out now in a SharePoint online. So in a header or footer enhancement. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.